Welcome to your next ACE English mini course. This week we'll focus on beginner level vocabulary, the essential building blocks for everyday conversation in British English. We'll cover topics like days, months, countries, nationalities, family, and more. These words are used constantly in real life, so you'll have a solid foundation of the vocabulary you need to speak confidently. Let's get started. Days of the week. There are 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For example, I learn English on Friday. Let's look at the months of the year. There are 12: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. For example, my birthday is in May. Let's have a look at numbers. The numbers 1 to 10. For example, I have 2 cats. The numbers 11 to 19. For example, she has 12 eggs. The numbers 20 to 100. For example, she is 30 years old. Let's have a look at some common countries. All over the world, we have United Kingdom, Spain, France, Brazil, Germany, Italy. For example, I am from the United Kingdom. Let's look at the nationalities of these countries: British, Italian, Spanish, French, German, Chinese. For example, I am British. Let's look at some common colours in English. For example, the sky is blue. My favourite colour is orange. Let's look at some family members. Some of these family members can be shortened. For example, mother, mum, father, dad, grandfather, granddad, grandmother, grandma. For example, I have 2 brothers. He has 1 daughter. Let's have a look at some food. There are many food categories in English. For example, I eat bread every day. The children love cheese. And the same with drinks. Many common popular drinks like tea, coffee, hot chocolate. For example, my favourite drink is lemonade. Her favourite drink is tea. Let's have a look at some possessions. Possessions are belongings, objects that belong to people. Some common objects include your phone, laptop, computer, keys, bags, watches, jewellery. For example, I always wear a watch. He uses his phone every day. Let's have a look at some parts of the body. Head, arm, leg, hand, foot, eye, ear, mouth. For example, my head hurts. Ow. Let's look at some clothes, really common clothes that people wear every day. For example, t-shirts, jackets, shoes, trousers, dress, skirt, hat, and coats. For example, I wear a coat when it rains. So, to recap, vocabulary is essential to know so you can speak the language. Like and subscribe to our channel and follow us every week.